Hi everybody, I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Alicia Masters, and if you've been thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. I am located in a steal of a deal today here in the romantic zone. This condo that I'm going to show you sits up, you got to go up a couple of small little hills, but you're right on top of the romantic zone here. You have 2 bedrooms here, 2 full bathrooms, a little over 1,100 square feet, and the asking price is only $344,500 US dollars. Look in the description down below if you want to find out more information about this condo and how you get in contact with me. WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply. I will throw my email down here just in case you guys wanted to email me as well. And stay tuned to the very end of this video if you would like to see some still shots. This condo is really great. As I told you before, this is right in the romantic zone, so you're walking distance to bars, shops, restaurants, the beach, and then you can come right up the hill into your own peace, calm, tranquility. These doors open up. You have 2 levels of living here. Enough said, let's go get into the condo, guys. Let's go.
Welcome to the outside of Condo Bruno. We're actually going to be seeing this unit right here, and then the second level is also part of the condo. As always, I like to do a good 360-degree view, show you guys everything that's all around. You just come up a slight hill here, but God, the mountains are absolutely beautiful, beautiful when you get up here. Okay, so now you've had a chance to see the surroundings. Let's go get into this secured gate entry. You do have a code to get in. I always love when they have secure gates. Okay guys, let's go. This is only a 1-floor walk up if you wanted to take the stairs, but you do have elevator access as well. And there's only 2 condos per level. We're gonna go and check out condo number 2. Welcome to Condo Bruno. This place is a dream come true, and for the price, it is absolutely phenomenal. First thing that I want to take you to, let's come out and take a look at the view. You are surrounded by the Sierra Madre Mountains here, and then as you see, there's a slight hill to get down here and one more when you're there. But once you're down front, you are right where Bonito Kitchen is. If you guys know where Casita and Garden or Bonito Kitchen is, that's where you're going to kind of pop out right there. Also, you're really close to the Emiliana Zapata Mercado. Okay, back to the condo. Let's focus on what we came here to see. So you can see you have open concept living here. So on the ground floor, you have a really nice size for the kitchen, and I really appreciate all of the finishes here. They did such a good job. I like the granite that you have here. The floor is a neutral gray. I think they did a phenomenal job with all of the furnishings as well. And this condo does come furnished. Now, they're currently using this setup here as a living room. This is a sleeper sofa, and also you can turn this into a bedroom if you wanted. This is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, or you can leave it the way they have it here, which is kind of have it set up as a media room. Let me move all around, just give you guys different feel for how everything looks. The ceilings in here are really tall. I love that. And the details in this bathroom, I absolutely adore. I love how you have the big window up here for ventilation. You have a rainfall shower, and this stone is a part of the wall. I absolutely think this is so cool. It's very charming. These are the details that people absolutely love. You have a marble countertop here. This is nice cabinetry here. So you can see the finishes are really well done here. And they even have space here where you can put some extra linens and things like that. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. Let's go upstairs and see bedroom number 2. So you see that they have that kind of set up as a living space, but don't worry, if you wanted to use this as a 2-bedroom, when you come upstairs, you have another living area right here. So check this out. So you have right off of the primary bedroom, you have another living room. And I love up here, you have this outdoor terrace that goes around. Check this out. I mean, they really thought of every single thing. If you wanted to take a look at what's going on down there, they have this really cool telescope here. Let's get back to the views, stepping outside. And you have a little wraparound terrace, kind of. You've got a smaller area here, and then it comes on to this covered patio that you have here. I just think they've done such a phenomenal job with all of the interior design here. All right, making our way back into the condo. You've got your living space here. And let me show you the primary bedroom. I love the design that they have done here. They've just done a really good job. It's a good size for the bedroom. You can see you've got your air conditioner up there. They have the built-ins, and then you're even stepping into a walk-in closet. All right, kind of everything here. Let me move all around, give you guys just different views of what everything looks like. So the door is a sliding door. The windows are the curtains are blackout, so you can close everything, have this completely dark, get into sleep mode. Now I'll come into the ensuite bath. Again, they have really good finishes here. I like the marble that they use for the countertop. And then you have a glass style shower with a rainfall, and they still have the ventilation there as well with the window. All right, so this is Condo Bruno, guys. You kind of have seen everything for now. Let's jump into a quick recap, and then stay tuned if you'd like to see some still shots. Okay, guys, let's go.
All right, everybody, what did you think about this condo and where are you from? Drop me a line down below. Let's get into those details one more time. You have 2 bedrooms here, 2 full bathrooms, just about 1,100 square feet of living space, and the asking price is only $344,500 US. Look in the description down below if you want to find out more information about this condo and how you get in contact with me. Remember, WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply, and I know that you did click like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I feature 2 to 3 properties a week that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. So if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on with the real estate market, you already know I am the #1 channel to subscribe to. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video tour. Hang out to the very end to see some still shots. That is my time for now. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys, peace.